Good job. Way to dust it off like normal.
Say happy birthday, Granny.
Happy birthday, Granny.
Okay, let's go show her the sidewalk chalk. Say we didn't do this, but we found it and we think it's pretty nice. It made us smile, so maybe it'll make you smile. Look, show Granny. What is this? What is this? Becky, place that on. Somebody drew what?
Yeah, buddy.
A picture of what?
Almost. I heard it. I heard it. Yeah.
All right, keep going.
Come here, Titan.
I went real fast.
You were running real fast?
I want to have.
All right, go show Granny how fast you run for her birthday. Go run. Go show her. Are you going to do it again? That's fast, man. Getting lots of exercise. Okay, turn around and show Granny. 1, 2, 3, go. Please, Lord, don't let this boy fall. He's trying to take his hat off on purpose. Keep going. Run, 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 run. Ooh. Keep going. Run, 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 run. Up the hill. All right. Say happy birthday, Granny. Say la you. Give her a kiss. Blow kisses. Let me see. Look at the camera. Blow kisses to Granny for her birthday. All right. How old is Granny turning today?
2.
She's turning 2 years old. I told you. All right.